We all have limited time in our day, but that doesn't mean we can't earn more money. This is what passive income is all about. It is like a money tree in your backyard. You plant it once or invest time and money up front, and then it bears fruit for the rest of your life, without requiring constant active working. Here are 8 best passive income ideas. 1. Start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube is completely free, and if you can get it monetized, it earns you a passive stream of income throughout your life through ad revenues. You might think that this is not exactly passive, because you have to continuously keep making videos, but this is where you are wrong. Remember, we said you need to be smart about your passive income streams. Here's the smart part about creating a YouTube channel. Pick an evergreen niche. Evergreen YouTube niches don't require you to constantly produce videos. An example would be a meditation channel. Such channels earn money even through old videos. Creating a few videos takes one-time effort, and then you earn through the ads on an ongoing basis. Take the channel Calm, for example. It has videos going back to 2015, but they still get millions of views even now. And according to Social Blade, the channel earns somewhere between $700 and $12,000 a month. So even if we consider the lower end, it does earn close to $1,000 a month just through the ads. 2. Affiliate marketing. Here is one issue with starting a new YouTube channel. Your channel needs to meet YouTube's monetization conditions, i.e., before you can start earning ad revenues, your channel requires a certain amount of views and subscribers. So, what can you do until then? The answer is, you can sell products through your videos. You don't even have to produce these products. You can simply add affiliate links to brands that go with your channel's theme. Whenever any viewer clicks on these links and buys the product, you gain a portion of the profits. One very highly paying affiliate program is run by Amazon. So suppose you have started a channel in the health and fitness niche. You can add links for fitness apparel and equipment in your video description. You can check out the latest product-wise Amazon commissions in the description. Some products can give you up to 20% commissions on each sale. So suppose you sell a product worth $200, you can make up to $40. And if you can sell just one product every day for a month, you can earn $1,200 a month. And after your channel is monetized, you can earn through ad revenue and affiliate marketing, creating 2 passive income streams for you. 3. Create an online course. If you are really good at something, share some of your unique skills and tips with aspirants through an online course. You can list your course either on your own website or on popular course portals such as Udemy. Both methods have their pros and cons. If you sell through your own website, you can charge any amount you think is reasonable for your course. However, if you sell through portals such as Udemy, you have to pay a commission to the portal or you only get a percentage of the sale amount. That in turn means you have to sell more to earn more. On the flip side, your own website might not get enough visitors, let alone those who'd want to pay for the course. Therefore, it will require greater marketing expense and effort. Instead, if you put in the right keywords on your course in the portal, you will get a quicker response from course seekers. So, it is a trade-off, but with just one-time effort of creating the course, you can earn a passive income throughout. Your earnings depend on how good or relevant your course is, but overall, it is a great way to share knowledge and earn passive income. 4. Invest in an REIT. REITs stand for Real Estate Investment Trusts. These are funds that own or invest in multiple real estate properties, such as shopping complexes, hospitals, commercial buildings, and so on. By owning a stock of the REIT, you are entitled to a portion of the income of the REIT, which comes from the income of all its real estate holdings. If you're in the US, a great REIT to invest in is Realty Income. It holds more than 10,000 commercial real estate and is committed to paying a monthly dividend of 24 cents on each share. It might not sound like much, but you can buy a share for as little as $70. So for every $70 invested in REIT, you can earn 24 cents every month, or $2.88 a year. Which also means that by buying 4,200 shares, you can earn $12,096 a year, or $1,000 a month. You can invest in 4,200 shares up front, or buy shares periodically, to make your passive income grow in a few years' time, without going through the hassle of actually owning and managing real estate. Also, with time, real estate investments go up in value, because real estate is positively correlated to inflation. So, Overall, REITs are a great diversifier in your investment portfolio because when other assets lose value, REITs gain value. 5. Municipal Bond Fund. Although REITs are great diversifiers, they don't provide the tax benefits of owning real estate. Both REIT dividends and capital appreciation are taxable. So, if you are a tax-conscious investor, municipal bonds are better than REITs. In the US, muni bonds are issued by state governments for raising money to build state infrastructures such as schools, roads, and other public amenities. These bonds are free from federal taxes and also state taxes if you live in the same state as the bond issuer. They are only taxable when issued by another state. So, suppose you live in Florida and want to invest in munis. You can check the latest bond issues, coupons, and yields on municipalbond.com. As of today, you can get up to 7.375% coupon in muni bonds, completely tax-free for Florida residents. Although your money will remain invested for a long time, sometimes even 20 years, but it will accumulate a good tax-free passive income through interest at a fixed rate, irrespective of markets going down. So, for every $1,000 investment, you get an annual coupon of $7.375. Therefore, to earn $1,000 a month, you have to buy 1,628 bonds. But finding such lucrative munis can be difficult. So you can even invest in muni ETFs, such as iShares National Muni Bond ETF by BlackRock. Such funds give you a broader exposure to the muni bond market. You can buy fractional bonds, start investing with as little as $100, and exit the fund before bond maturity. So if you want to start small with the least effort, muni ETFs are a terrific passive income option. 6. Dividend Stock. Although bonds are a safe investment during market downtrends, they give low returns during market uptrends. To gain from such uptrends and still earn a passive income, you can invest in dividend-paying stocks. Not all stocks pay dividends. Also, unlike bonds, stocks don't pay a fixed dividend. They only pay when the company is willing to. Some companies don't pay out dividends because they reinvest all their profits in growth opportunities. While such growth stocks offer great capital appreciation, there is no guarantee of a passive income from these. So, if you want to earn a passive income through stocks, you should go for value stocks that pay regular dividends every year. But even within such stocks, you should be careful and choose those stocks which pay dividends for the right reason. Companies with stable revenues and commensurate expenses, not companies with depleting profits, because such companies can crumble at any time, and you might never see your invested money again. A good example of a dividend stock you can invest in is Microsoft. First of all, it is a tech giant. During any market downswing, it will be among the last companies to go under. And second of all, if you see Microsoft's dividend history, it has paid a dividend every year since 2003, and the dividend has been constantly increasing. So, it is a good stock to have in your portfolio to earn passive income through dividends. Current annual dividend is $2.34 per share, so by owning 5,128 shares, you can earn $12,000 in annual dividends. Initially, it will take a large upfront investment, but over time, your dividends will keep on increasing. 7. Index funds. While investing in individual dividend-paying stocks is a great passive income provider, finding such stocks takes time and research, making it less passive than what many people would agree on. Also, individual stock investment can be beyond small investors' reach. If you don't have a lot of time or money or don't keep track of market trends, you can still earn a steady passive income by investing in index funds. Index funds comprise some of the best performing stocks on the market, so when you invest in a fund, you don't invest in just one stock. You invest in all the stocks in the fund. So, similar to the muni bond ETFs, you get exposure to the broader stock market with very little money and time investment. One of the best dividend-paying index funds in the US is Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. The fund holds close to 450 stocks, diversified across sectors such as basic metals, consumer staples, healthcare, and utilities. Its 3-year yield is 10.51% as of today, and if you look at the dividend history, it has paid a quarterly dividend of approximately 80 cents per share every quarter since 2020. So, with 5,000 shares, you can earn $12,000 in annual dividends without having all your money invested in just one stock. The fund's diversified holdings also give you protection against market movements, because one stock's downturn is covered up by another stock's uptrend. On top of that, its expense ratio is much less than the comparable average expense ratio, which means you get great passive returns for a much lower fee, and you don't have to manage the fund yourself. So, if you are a stock market newbie or a very busy person without time to spare, index funds are great to earn a passive income. 8. Get listed on Airbnb. Most of us have a spare room or a living room in our homes. We already put in the effort to clean it when we are cleaning the rest of the house, so why not rent it out? This is the easiest way to start a passive income stream without buying any new real estate, going through the hassle of fresh property taxes, property upkeep, and everything else. Initially, you might need to invest some time and money in things like getting a partition wall constructed, getting your property listed on Airbnb, and adding the necessary furnishings. But once all that is done, you can earn a very good passive income for as long as you want. Suppose you are living in Brooklyn. You can rent out your room for anything close to $50 per night. So, if you have 2 to 3 10-day bookings a month, you can easily earn $1,000 a month passively. Although initially, it may take some time to get used to communicating with guests, but once the ball gets rolling, it won't take you any more than a few hours a week to have everything sorted.